Hi there, I'm Tara Schneider, an integration specialist for Avon Central School District in New York. This video is going to show you the awesome integration of Whiteboard into Google Meets. So let's get started. Start by going to the three dots in the lower right corner of your screen. Then scroll up to Whiteboard and select it. From here, you have two options to start a new whiteboard or choose from Drive. Let's go through both, but let's first start with Start a New Whiteboard. So, as you start that new whiteboard, a few things are happening. You may end up with the option to change the permissions on your Jamboard because it's most likely going to default to view only for your students. So, to change that, if the option appears, go ahead and change your settings. Otherwise, simply use your share button to change it so that your students can be editors. The other awesome thing that's happening is when a new Jamboard opens up, over here in the chat, a link is placed for your students to click on. Now, let's go ahead and let's take a look at opening a jam that you've already created from Google Drive. So again, three dots, Whiteboard, and this time I'm going to choose from Drive. And so here it opens up all my jams that I have, and I'm going to select this one. Now you'll notice the jam is opening up that I've already made. And again, just like before, you can choose your rights. Do you want your students to have view-only rights or to have edit rights? And lastly, this link will also appear in your chat. And as you, the teacher, move around and you want to get either of those Jamboards back, you can click here on the paperclip in the lower right, select your attachments, and open up whichever jam you would like to reopen. Enjoy teaching with Jamboard in your Google Meet.